I'm Jenn, the Holistic Health Boss, your functional diagnostic health practitioner and business mentor. And in this video, I want to share with you 3 ways to build business while you're actually vacationing so that you can help more people, work less, make more money, and ultimately take better care of yourself. Now, to start, I have a question for you. Why did you become a functional health professional? Was it to maybe help more people on a deeper level? Was it to do work that you were genuinely passionate about? Or maybe it was to resolve your own health issues or health issues that a loved one might have been experiencing. Or maybe it was to free up your time to focus on what really matters in life. And all while making more money to give you the financial freedom and stability that you desire. Now, I built a career as a virtual functional health practitioner because the work I was doing before was making me feel fat, tired, and sick all of the time. The daily grind of long work hours and a high stress work environment combined with obsessively chasing the perfect body and work that wasn't aligned with my soul's desires definitely contributed to the hormone imbalances, digestive dysfunction, and tapped out immune system I eventually experienced. When one of my last employers fired me for showing up and leaving work early on Fridays to visit my terminally ill mother who was 6 hours away, I knew that something had to change. I wanted freedom in order to take better care of myself and improve my health, to actually be with my loved ones in good times and in bad, to also travel the world and pursue my heart's desires, my hobbies, and my passions. That's when I finally decided to leave the corporate world and become a full-time functional health practitioner so that I could help more people on a deeper level while working less, making more money, and ultimately taking better care of myself. Now, through my virtual health coaching business, I have helped hundreds of other busy health-minded professionals find the missing pieces to their health puzzle so they can also get back to feeling like themselves again and love their life just the same way I have. And I've also helped hundreds of other functional health professionals just like you build a business that supports them personally and financially and professionally. And I've done this all while traveling the world and feeling like my best self, because traveling is one of my primary passions. It revitalizes my soul and brings me a ton of joy, both of which are essential for optimal health. Wouldn't you agree? Now, on average, I travel about 9 weeks out of the year while maintaining a stable 6-figure business. And now you're probably wondering, how in the world am I able to travel so much and maintain a successful business at the same time? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you, and my top 3 strategies for doing this. So in this video, I will show you 3 ways that you can build business while vacationing, like I said, so that you can help more people while ultimately working less and taking better care of yourself or your loved ones, whatever inspired you to do this work. Now, when I finally decided to leave the corporate world, I was determined to work 20 hours a week or less. At the same time, I wanted to help as many people as possible find the missing pieces of their health puzzle so they too could get back to feeling like themselves again, the same way that I ultimately did. To support my love for travel and our household, I also needed this new career path to generate an income, not just be a hobby. It was a bumpy road at first, but I quickly learned from my mistakes and perfected these 3 strategies to maintain a 6-figure business that freed up my time to travel the world. The first one is boosting enrollments to float your vacation. Setting monthly revenue goals and then outlining the exact steps to reach them ensures that you'll hit your target. When you know your revenue goal for the month, you can determine how many enrollment calls you need to have in order to hit your goal. And then you can plan this around your vacation time. For example, last year I was going to be traveling most of mid to late August. And in order to reach my monthly revenue goal, I started promoting discovery calls to my email list towards the end of July to book as many enrollment calls as possible in early August so that I could hit my target. The result, I scheduled more discovery calls than I needed, enrolled enough clients to hit my goal before my travel schedule took off. This worked perfectly because once clients enrolls, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks for all of their lab results to come back in and to schedule their first session with me. My practitioner's business management system automates their entire onboarding process, giving me a 4 to 6 week window for travel before having to really do any work. The income from these enrollments floated my business while on vacation so that I could disconnect and have fun without stressing about money. Every month, I want you to set a revenue goal and outline a client enrollment plan to hit it. Design your plan around travel and you will be all set while you're gone. Now, strategy number 2 is to price yourself right and have payment plans. Here's why step number 1 works so well and easy for me. To reach my monthly revenue goal of 10K or more, I only needed to enroll 2 to 3 clients. This isn't a ton, right? Well, when you value what you're worth and methodically price your packages right, it's easier to hit your monthly revenue goals. As I always say, one-on-one packages are the fastest path to cash, and this proves to be true repeatedly. If you're not hitting your revenue goals or feeling burned out, I can almost guarantee you that 1, you aren't valuing all of your time, and 2, you aren't packaging yourself right, or both. With higher ticket programs, I offer a 2 to 3 month payment plan, and I love this because it creates a stream of income for the months to come, and the accumulation of payment plan revenue helps me to hit my monthly target every single month. Now, to create financial stability with payment plans, you need to make sure that 1, you collect enough in the first payment to cover any initial time and cost incurred with enrolling a client, and 2, that you collect payment in full before all services are rendered so you aren't working for free. When you know your package prices and your monthly goal, you can calculate then how many people that you need to enroll and reverse engineer that to figure out exactly how many enrollment calls you need in order to help you hit your goal. Now, here's the third strategy. Automate and delegate your work. Honestly, all of this wouldn't be possible if I didn't have systems in place to support my business. Early on, I realized that if I wanted to help more people work less and make more money, then automation and delegation would be necessary. I am only one person, so eventually my time and energy would reach a limit. Years ago, with the help of automation expert Michelle Bell and my really good friend and business partner now, we created the Practitioner's Business Management System, a custom health business management system tailored to functional health practitioners like you who offer packages with a series of lab tests and appointments. I have automated and delegated as much as possible, from the point that someone requests a discovery call on my website to the point of them booking that enrollment call and it taking place, and then once payment is collected, to onboard and track them through their program. This saves me a ton of time. Essentially, all I have to do is show up for their appointments and be present. This automation and delegation also makes my potential or paying clients feel as if they are getting a personal touch and first-class experience all the time, even when I'm off snorkeling the turquoise waters of Maui. Plus, building a relationship with them like this leads to easy enrollments and effortless referrals. Here's the thing. It's pointless to leave a previous career path to embark on another one like I did that will heal yourself and others if it's going to lead you to burnout. I see way too many functional health practitioners overworking themselves because they don't have these 3 business building strategies in place. And in doing so, what kind of example then are you or they setting for their clients by working long hours and not living their best life? As I said before, travel is one of my passions, and it actually connects me with my ideal clients. It's something that we have in common. When they see me post about my travels on social media, it gives them hope and serves as a testimony for what is possible for them too. It also helps to break down the walls of vulnerability, creates a conversation starter and connection for engagement, and builds rapport to nurture them eventually onto my email list and an enrollment call to work with me. Now, I believe that we have a responsibility as health professionals to lead by example for others. So my question for you then, as we wrap up here, is what resources or support do you need in order to live your best life and be an example for your clients? I would actually love to know below which one of these resources is what you need in order to accomplish it. Is it 1, tools to find clients online and easily enroll them? Maybe it's 2, knowing how to package and price yourself right for financial stability? Or do you need a system to help automate and delegate all of your business needs? Like I said, let me know below in the comments and I will have some resources to share with you to help you live your best life and be that example too, so that you can build business while traveling and feel like your best self and help others on a deeper level at the same time. All right, I hope you found this video incredibly insightful. I'll see you in the next video.